There are many powerful cars out there. They're quick, exciting, and every petrolhead's dream. The existence of these cars raises the question, what is the most powerful car ever? Well, a car that instantly comes to mind is the Bugatti Veyron Supersport, which achieves nearly 1200 horsepower with its 8-litre W16 engine. I will surprise you when I say that there is an even more powerful car, that being the Lucid Air Sapphire, an electric luxury saloon coming from America's Lucid Motors. This futuristic looking car can produce up to 1234 horsepower thanks to its lithium-ion battery. However, this isn't even the most powerful production car, as there are even more powerful vehicles that have graced the roads of the earth. For example, there's the Yangwang U9 Super Coupe that originates from China. This one has a grand total of 1287 horsepower, allowing for a 0 to 62 miles an hour time of around 2 seconds. An even more powerful car is the Bugatti 110. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. This limited production anniversary special from Bugatti produces over 1500 horsepower, which is crazy. Its top speed is absolute madness too, a whopping 240 miles an hour, and it's electronically limited, possibly indicating that the 110 can go even faster. This isn't even the most powerful car, but we have finally gotten to the top 3. At number 3 is the Lotus Evija, a limited production supercar with an electric powertrain. With production limited to 130 units, the Evija produces a little over 2000 horsepower with 4 electric motors placed at each wheel. That is mad, but what's even madder is the Hennessy Venom F5, our runner-up. While the car only produces 1817 horsepower at its base trim, which is still a giant amount, Hennessy introduced the so-called Evolution package, which increases the Venom F5's power output to 2031 horsepower, making it the second most powerful production car ever made. The car at number 1, however, will shock you, that being the Koenigsegg Gemera. This Swedish hypercar was supposed to produce around 1000 horsepower when combining its 3-cylinder twin-turbo engine with an electric motor. That's still a lot, but Koenigsegg's CEO, Christian von Koenigsegg, wanted more and decided to replace the engine with a 5-litre twin-turbo V8 that on its own produces around 1600 horsepower. That is a lot, but combined with Koenigsegg's dark matter electric motor, the Gemera has a total power output of 2300 horsepower. That is a ginormous amount of horsepower, and as far as I'm aware, no other car has managed to overtake the Gemera with its horsepower amount. With a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 1.9 seconds and a top speed of 249 miles an hour, the Gemera is a mad creation from Koenigsegg's engineers, and its staggering amount of horsepower makes it the most powerful car ever made. That's really it when it comes to the most powerful cars, and I wonder, how long will it take for another vehicle to dethrone the Koenigsegg Gemera and from the top spot on the list of the most powerful vehicles of all time? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and maybe follow my Instagram account and join my Discord server. Before I go, I've just got one more thing to say. I know that people are patiently waiting for the Brazilian car videos sequel. I assure you that it is in development, and I chose to do this shorter video first as to ease the wait a little bit. With that said, the Brazilian car sequel video thing won't come out until the end of next week. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm kind of busy this week and I don't really have time to make that video. Despite that, I hope you look forward to it regardless. With all that said and done, this is AutoFil. See you later.